Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So yeah, thanks to all you guys that watched my video yesterday on Neil Ferguson. And I just wanted to, after I did the video, I kind of realised that the news seemed to be like pretty orchestrated to try and cover the fact apparently we've hit like the most amount of deaths in Europe in the UK. So I thought I'd do a little bit of research on that, reading the Guardian basically, and yeah, just a really quick video, just what I found, just some little thing I wanted to point out. So here we have it. Calls for an inquiry as UK reports the highest COVID-19 death toll in Europe. So if we scroll down to here, yeah, that looks bad. Look, UK, we're all the way up there. That's not good. We've got a big red circle here, guys. And it's red, look, and nowhere else is red, so we're clearly worse than everywhere else. But the first thing that comes to my mind, and obviously comes to anybody else's mind, is what is it per capita, per person? How many people die per 100,000, say, in the UK compared to the other countries? And that is to completely ignore also the fact that other countries are more densely populated. I mean, not all countries have as many basically people in as larger cities. So they're obviously not going to spread as much as they maybe will in a more densely populated country, like the UK is. So anyway, we do have the numbers here. Excellent. Look, here we go. So the UK has seen 43.3 deaths per 100,000 people in the UK, compared with Italy's 48.1. So Belgium is at the top, but again, Belgium has not obviously got a massive population. So yeah, there you go. But anyway, Belgium's the top, 69.4 deaths per 100,000. I'm only saying it with that sort of emphasis just because it's a lot more than what we've got here. But yeah, Spain 54.4, again pretty high. Italy 48.1, and then yeah, the UK 43.3, and then France 37, and you guys can read the rest, and and then Iran and Brazil. I don't know why they're in there. They're definitely not in Europe, but I guess let's have them in. And then the US 21. I was under the impression Iran had it pretty bad. But I mean, I guess maybe there's difficult numbers coming out. Hey, who knows? But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you guys basically, is that we're actually in Europe in fourth place. Not that it's a competition. It's not a competition, but it is something we'd like to come last at. But we're in fourth, so we're not on the podium. But anyway, what I'm saying is 43.3. So we're not doing as bad. So it's not all doom and gloom for everyone here, guys. So. There you go. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. So thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you guys soon.